In the microscopic world lives a creature that seems straight out of science fiction, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. Despite measuring less than a millimeter and living in moss, lichens, or damp soil, it is one of the most resilient organisms on Earth. Its survival abilities have captured the attention of scientists, astrobiologists, and even materials engineers. Tardigrades can withstand extreme temperatures, from -200 degrees Celsius to over 150 degrees Celsius. They resist radiation, complete dehydration, lack of oxygen, and even direct exposure to the vacuum of outer space. In harsh conditions, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, during which they expel almost all the water from their bodies and shut down their metabolism. In this state, they can survive for decades, waiting for the right conditions to come back to life. One of the most remarkable experiments occurred in 2007, when the European Space Agency sent tardigrades into space aboard the Photon M3 mission. They were exposed unprotected to the vacuum, extreme temperatures, and cosmic radiation. Amazingly, several of them returned to Earth alive, and even reproduced. Their incredible resilience also led them to an unexpected destination, the Moon. In 2019, the Israeli spacecraft Bereshit crashed on the lunar surface. On board were dehydrated tardigrades, along with samples of human DNA. Although the landing failed, it's estimated that thousands of tardigrades may have scattered across the Moon's surface, possibly still in a dormant state. It may sound like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but it's actual science. But these micro-animals don't just surprise us with their toughness. Their biology has inspired technological advancements. In 2015, researchers at the University of Chicago studied how tardigrades turn the liquid inside their cells into a glass-like substance when dehydrating. This unique ability led to the creation of a new type of glass with a highly organized molecular structure, ideal for improving the efficiency of solar cells, LEDs, and fiber optics, a futuristic technology inspired by microscopic creatures. Their longevity as a species is another milestone. They've survived 5 mass extinctions over more than 500 million years. They haven't been assessed by the International Union for Conservation of Nature and don't appear on any endangered species list. In other words, we don't need to worry about the tardigrades, they'll likely be here long after we're gone. These tiny water bears not only redefine the limits of life, but they also inspire us to look toward the future of biotechnology, astrobiology, and space exploration. In a world where everything seems to have limits, tardigrades remind us that life, even in its smallest form, can be nearly indestructible.